Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Trends for affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the top, you're going to find three sections: Home, Explore, and Trending Now. And right here, if you scroll down, you're going to find Made with Trends. Get started with trends and some tools to learn how to use Google Trends if you want to learn how to. So right here, you're going to find what is Google Trends, basics of Google Trends, understanding the data and advanced Google Trends. Right here in the top, you can go to explore. And if you go right here, you can search for any term or any topic. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find this list that includes the search topics. So for example, women, I'm gonna choose Netflix as a topic, for example. And from here, you can choose the country that you want. I'm gonna keep it worldwide. From here, you can select the time. For example, I'm gonna select the past 30 days. Here, the category. And if you want to choose between web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search, right here, you're gonna find the timeline. And here, you're gonna find the map. If you hover with your mouse over any map, you're going to find the search interests. And right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the countries that are interested. Also, if you scroll down right here, you're going to find some related topics and also some related queries. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.